We have all experienced this on vacations. Constantly sourcing for bottled water is troublesome and costly. Moreover, this creates too much plastic wastes, and it is unsustainable. An energy-saving, easy-to-install, IK900 Ultra filtration water system solves the problem. The IK900 does not require electrical power. It filters water at room temperature, and there is no need to modify taps. Changing the filters is easy, and anyone can handle it. Now, we are going through some numbers and you will realize this investment makes a lot of sense. The IK900 costs 1,600 ringgit, and for the first 1.5 years, there is no need to change filters. First 1.5 years, it will cost less than 3 ringgit per day to generate unlimited amount of clean water from IK900. Subsequent years, it will cost much less. Let's see the numbers. 800 ringgit to replace all 3 filters every 3 years. No hidden cost, and it works out to be less than 80 ringgit cents per day for unlimited amount of clean filtered water. It makes sense to have one unit installed for your homestay guests or for your own use. Place an order from our clean water service, and our crews will be at your home to install it. Download the Blooms app from Google Play, Apple, or Huawei app stores. No email and permanent password is required for registration. Try it, and it is fun. I am Miss Blooms, and cheers!